Hello everyone and welcome to my new video on Arbitrum price analysis and technical details. As usually, we're going to walk you through the situation of April 12th, 2023. Let's get into the informations of the market. Now before, we would like to discover the AI trading with ChatGPT. For those of you interested, on my main channel you can find out more about it and see the situation out there. As well, I'll talk about it at the end, but in a nutshell, you have the ability to participate with our ChatGPT bot trading without any prior fee, just a commission out of the pure profits achieved. We perform the trading for you through API permission. So let's get into the details, guys. Now, ARB, it is pretty much a cryptocurrency which is still staying in the tops. I wanted to share with you that it's ranked number 3 on the tops right now, and it's still having a good time. If we look out for the market cap, categorization and rankings leaderboard, we will discover that Arbitrum is ranked number 40, which is great, but the fact that it has $336 million trading volume for the past 24 hours is actually categorizing it amongst the top. And it's actually having much more than the other cryptocurrencies that are basically, quite high listed. I mean, you see, you have more than Polkadot, which is ranked number 11. You have more than Polygon. You have very close to Cardano, which is ranked number 7. So we're actually talking about large-scale volume appearing here for Arbitrum, which is still continuing to perform well. Now, in terms of the charts and data, well, this is where we are. A situation which is quite interesting to all of us, that we're able to survive at these prices. Yeah, there is a slight downtrend going on at the moment because of the highs which are constantly under pressure. If you see, these 3 highs that I just marked right now are actually finding lower to lower levels, and that's not really a good sign of strength. But at the end of the day, the differences are quite small, and at all the points when we are actually expecting a little altcoin season movements, we are going to see Arbitrum moving quite well. So until that point, the idea is about the survival of this specific representation. We have established a downtrending resistance line, out of which we broke nicely, found support, but the pump was quite weak. If you're asking me, the movement here is quite weak. It's just 8.14%. It's quite weak, right? 8.14% for a cryptocurrency, where I would actually expect it to get above the resistance line at 1.28 and force basically for the levels of 1.35, getting close to 1.40, which would mark the triple top structure there in challenge. We have not challenged that. We must challenge that, and we should have challenged that after a nice breakout of pattern, retest, and continuation. We did not challenge the 140 top, let alone the 150s, which are even stronger. Which is why I'm telling you, you need the retracement before you can talk about other levels, which means that the support line is there, and as long as it's acting, we're fine. But if we're losing it, we're supposed to talk about levels of 1.6018 Fibonacci and 1.414 Fibonacci, which is 95 cents and 88 cents. Obviously, from this level to that one is 18%. That's a major decrease, and to the other level it's 25%. Those are 2 great places to talk about strong, long movements from there, right? So, this is the way Arbitrum is positioned at the moment. Expectations were much higher in terms of this movement here, which lacked strength, and the reason for that is quite simple. You had a BTC season going in the past 2 or 3 weeks. Meanwhile, the altcoins did not move strongly at all. So usually they do move very well after Bitcoin pulls back. Then you have the expectancies of an altcoin season, which will bring Ethereum above $2,000, and it will get Arbitrum back to the tops of 1.5 and so on. Until that point, the retracement is what we're looking for seeing, which Can be, depending how BTC is going to retrace, how powerful will be that retracement on the Bitcoin. But the idea is that during this year, we are supposed to see a strong move upwards for the altcoins, especially the upcoming months. That's pretty much all with the Arbitrum situation. Once again, for those of you looking to participate in our ChatGPT bot trading, there's 2 options available, both listed on our page, especially the one without any prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API. You can find out more in our videos in the way I perform the trades and all that stuff. You can see more explanations here on my main YouTube channel, and then basically the report, which links can be found in the description area and the comments area. Again, for those of you looking forward to changing the results of your performance in trades, and if you care about your education, I have a one-on-one coaching as well. So watch this video till the end to discover more about that too. And subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and put your thoughts in the comments area. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.